Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Airbnb. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, research your local market to understand demand. Analyze your competition by checking existing listings in your area. Determine the ideal property type that attracts guests, such as entire homes or private rooms. Evaluate the potential profitability by calculating operating costs and expected income. Next, create a standout listing with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Highlight unique features that set your property apart. Set competitive pricing using Airbnb's smart pricing tool for guidance. Ensure your property meets Airbnb's quality standards. Consider investing in amenities that enhance guest experiences, like Wi-Fi or breakfast options. Establish clear house rules and expectations to maintain a smooth operation. Utilize prompt and friendly communication for inquiries and bookings. Implement a streamlined check-in process, possibly with smart locks for convenience. Encourage guests to leave reviews to build credibility over time. Regularly monitor and adjust pricing based on seasonal changes and local events. Plan for regular maintenance to keep your property in excellent condition. Explore additional income opportunities, such as offering guided tours or local experiences. Keep track of local regulations and pay necessary taxes related to short-term rentals. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your passive income with Airbnb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.